Vizcom released 2 new features and I want to talk about them. Let's jump into it. The first one is called the Workbench. I don't know if you are familiar with it, but it was only available for beta and you needed to apply, but now it's available for everyone as a beta version, which means sometimes it might create little bugs and so on. And I used it to create this funky interior. Let's just demonstrate it quickly. When you have a new file, you can go to Try Workbench Beta on the left bottom corner, and then you will have this empty workbench and you can just say insert. For example, let's put an image here, browse, and I'm gonna use one of the sketches from the Porsche series. Don't worry, I didn't forget about it, I will still work on it. And then we can go to insert prompt. So you might be wondering what's the difference to do it on the workbench rather than the normal workspace is. Now I can just connect different sketches to the same prompt, or I can create different prompts and connect the same sketch to different prompts to get different results, and we have more control. And when you zoom out, like here, you see a lot of different options at the same time. You can go into them, you can get out of them, and so on. So let's demonstrate quickly. There's supercar from rear view, elegant and dynamic. So at this point, I want to mention the second new feature from Vizcom, which is the Cybercell rendering mode. As you can see, it's written vibrant flat colors with strong outlines and high contrast. So it's like a different style, and I would say it's kind of like more playful. That's why I used it mostly on the interior to test it out. But let's see what will happen on the exterior. So I will decrease it to 80%, and basically I will just drag this here, and when this black hook appears, I will just connect it here, and I will just hit generate. While waiting, I can just duplicate this prompt here. I can move it down, and I can say, for example, 60%. And I can connect it again, and I can hit generate. And then, why not? I can duplicate another prompt here, and I can say maybe the Technicolor or Vizcom General, I'm not sure. Let's go to 80% and connect this one here as well and hit generate. So as you see, at the same time, simultaneously, we can generate the different results from the same sketch with different prompts. And it's not finished here. You can also duplicate any of these or insert a new prompt and refine this further, or you can just double click, go into the sketch and do the regular things we do with Vizcom, and then you can work further. I think the Cybercell fits to interiors more, or depends on the style you want, of course, but mood boards or interiors, I think it would be a nice fit. And that's what I wanted to do with this interior sketches. By the way, it's been a while that I didn't sketch interiors, honestly, so I took an interior of a car and I just sketched over to get the proportions correct at least, but I didn't even do detailed sketch, so some of the results look a little bit funny, but some of them work better. And combining different results with different prompts, at the end I reached to a fun interior sketch result. I will experiment further with this workbench and the new Cybercell feature. Also, if you are watching this video, it means that you're interested in car design and AI itself too. So it is a good time to say that I'm working on a new course, AI for car design. There will be different tools. We will go deeper with Vizcom, and I'm gonna use other AI platforms too. So if you're interested in, you can pre-order on my website. And you can watch this video here to see how I use Vizcom in real time, and we can dive deeper there. See you.